Hello everyone. First of all, I'm taking this moment to say a big thanks to the entire Fortray Global Service who helped me to stay confident and consistent throughout my journey. I'm Anju. I'm here to share my successful story for finally landing a job as an IT support engineer within the NHS. So, I have done my master's in information security with the digital forensic. Like everyone, I also confused about landing a job. I have applied for different graduate jobs and I was continuously getting a lot of rejections. So at that moment I realized that it is very important to get a hands-on experience. So I approached the Fortray service and the trainee provide a lots of details about their service, and they also prepared a roadmap which aligns perfectly with my career goal. So immediately I was without any doubt I started my journey with them. From day on one onwards, they helped me to know the basic things like the hardware software to the higher things like Active Directory, Microsoft Intune. The journey was not that much easy. It was very challenging. But from my side, I can say that if someone without any IT background, they can also go through this one, which will be helpful because more than the classes, they also provide the lab section, which we can access at any time. We can practice continuously. So I did the same like this. Then I go to the recruitment phase, which helped me to directly interact with the recruiter, asking questions like the real job interview. So I got the enough experience, and I was so happy. Like my words are beyond. They stood out of their face to help me. So I can definitely say that I will recommend this service to everyone who ever struggling to land a job. So I am expressing all my gratitude to the Fortray service. Thank you so much.